Don't get pinched this St. Patrick's Day. Gimme the green. And by green, I mean matcha powder. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to enjoy getting more greens in your diet while whipping up a slurpable dessert shake. To begin, place 1 cup of low-fat vanilla bean halo top ice cream in a blender. Light ice cream provides fewer calories, less sugar, and more protein compared to traditional ice cream. Next, add in a ½ cup of light, unsweetened coconut milk. This provides creamy texture and rich flavor. Opt for the light version to save on calories and fat. After that, add 1 teaspoon of Hy-Vee honey, followed by 1 tablespoon of matcha powder. Matcha is a bright green tea packed with antioxidants to protect the body against cancer-causing free radicals. It's also mildly caffeinated, helping support balanced energy and mental alertness. Lastly, add a ½ teaspoon of ground cardamom. Although not as popular as cinnamon or ginger, this versatile spice provides an intriguing flavor, which is undeniably sweet but features an herbal edge and notes of pine. Once all of those ingredients are in, cover and blend on high until smooth. When the mixture is blended, pour into a glass and top with 2 tablespoons of frozen coconut whipped topping. Enjoy with family or friends for a delicious and healthy St. Patrick's Day treat. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.